Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy bottlenecks. Update your GPU driver and Windows, then close background apps that steal CPU and RAM. Once done, switch your power plan to high performance and plug the machine in so throttling stops. Verify game files through the launcher to ensure corruption isn't causing stutters. Next, lower demanding global presets, texture and shadow quality, so the GPU can maintain steady frames rather than chasing peaks and valleys. You now adjust game and GPU controls for consistent frame delivery. Reduce resolution scale to 90% or use 1/2 render scaling to cut GPU load without huge visual loss. Cap FPS at a reliable target, like 60 or 120, to avoid microstutter from variable rates. Disable VSync to lower input lag and use GPU control panel to set texture filtering and power management to prefer maximum performance. Once applied, restart the game to let changes settle. You finish by validating stability. Run a couple of matches while monitoring CPU/GPU temps and frame time consistency. Make sure thermals stay below roughly 85 degrees Celsius and improve cooling if needed. Move the game to an SSD for faster asset streaming. If stutters continue, do a clean GPU driver reinstall and verify Windows updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, create a new Windows user profile or reinstall the game to rule out corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.